guys doing? I'm doing super good, and currently I'm in the phase of testing out new makeup products, guys. I'm just that girl who loves makeup and loves testing out new makeup products, guys. So today I thought I'll show you a makeup palette that I was using, guys, and that is the makeup palette I used to do this look. It's a very simple look and it is not usually the look I go for. I do put eyeliner and all that, but then today I went for this look because of the makeup palette that I was using. And without any further ado, let's see the makeup palette, guys. Also, guys, I've already posted a reel about this makeup palette in my Instagram channel, so please head out to my Instagram channel and check that out. Do not forget to follow my Instagram channel. My handle is @indukrish_. Okay, guys, so the makeup palette that I'm talking about is from the brand Hilary Rhoda, and it says the Book of Makeup. This is the one that I purchased recently. I thought I'll show you how this palette is and what all you have inside and how you can get a makeup look with it. So first, guys, coming to the packaging, it's a very good packaging actually. It's a silver packaging and you know it's quite neat, no complaints on that. The name of the palette is Hilary Rhoda, the Book of Makeup. I got the shade number 02. Okay, guys, I'll quickly tell you what this makeup palette has. It's kind of like an all-in-one makeup kit, and this has eyeshadow, cream lip gloss, blush, contour and highlighter. That's what it says in the packaging. Before we see the palette, guys, coming to the price point, this retails for 449 rupees. Yeah, it retails for 449 rupees. I think I got it in a slightly discounted price from the site that I got it in. So this retails for 449 rupees. And let's see the palette, guys. So this is how the palette looks, guys. This is how the Book of Makeup looks. It is a lavender hardbound cover sorts, and it actually opens up like a book. So this is how it opens up. And this is the palette, guys. This is how the palette looks, guys, and you have like a transparent sheet on top, and it also says Hilary Rhoda. So this is how the palette is. So let's see what's in the palette, guys. This side of the book are eyeshadows. So these are the eyeshadow colors that we have. There are like 20 shades, which is not bad actually. There's a lot of like purple, there are like blues and greens. There's a mix of lot of colors, which is very good. They don't have black in this particular shade. I don't know if in the other ones they have like 03 or 01. If they have, I don't know if it is there in that. They have like pinks and like brown and all that is there. What I can see is mostly shimmer shades are there, guys. I think matte shades 4 or 5 are there, but then mostly it is shimmer shades here. Here, guys, we have 6 lip shades. So these are the lip shades that we have in 02. There's a lot of like coral shades and red shades here. This is the one that I'd used. There's like red and like dark pink, and these are like mostly orangish shades. There are 2 blush shades which are very good. This is like kind of like a different pink, and this is like a bright pink shade. And the blush shades are like very good. That's what I've applied. As for the palette, guys, there should be 2 contour shades which I cannot find in this palette, to be very honest. So these 2 are the shades which I think they marked as contour, but then both of them are not contour shades, to be very honest. This is an extremely light cream shade and this is a yellow shade, guys. Like, these are not contour shades for sure, that I can tell you. These shades, I don't know why it will come to use, because even eyeshadow, if you want to use, you already have those shades here. Like the similar shades you have here, the cream shade and the yellow shade. So these 2 shades are not very useful, and I wish they had given like better contour shades. And then they had also mentioned 2 highlighter shades, which is these 2, and that is very good. There is like a light beige highlighter shade and slightly darker highlighter shade that we have here. Then it comes with a mirror, which is very helpful actually. This is what we have in the makeup palette, guys. So coming to the performance of this palette, guys, since I've already done my look with the help of this palette, I can tell you how it performs. So these eyeshadow palettes are good, no complaints. I think the pigmentation is very good. I applied very little, but still it is very pigmented. Not gonna lie, some shades are very repetitive. Like there are 2 purple and there is 1 more purple shade here. So there are like 3 purple shades, there are like 2 to 3 blue shades, there are like 2 to 3 green shades. So there's a lot of like repetition, although the shade is different for sure. It's not like exactly the same shade, but there's a very slight difference between the shades. But nevertheless, you can create a very good makeup look with the help of these eyeshadow palettes. So that is good. Like I told you, black is not there, but also I don't know if in the other palettes it is there. I have to check that. But in this one, all you get is a brown shade, and then there's a brick red shade that comes with it. And then we'll see the blush shades, guys. The blush is very good. I've already applied that and it is very good. It is very pigmented. It is good. I didn't have any complaints in that. Again, the shades are very good. Like a pink blush goes with most of the looks actually, so that is very nice. And like I told you, the contour is a flop because like you cannot contour with these shades. These are mostly like eyeshadow shades. You need like dark cool tone colors for like contouring. And so this one, guys, I think you can use it as like eyeshadow shades, or like sometimes if you're using only this palette for your makeup, then I think you can use it like a face powder just for like touching up. I think for that it can come helpful. And coming to the highlighter shades, it's decent. It's not like blinding enough enough for a highlighter. If you prefer like extremely shiny, like glittery highlighter which needs to stand out, then I don't think this will be helpful. This gives you like a very subtle highlight actually. For a glam look, it will not be very helpful, but it does the job to a certain extent. Coming to the lip shades, guys, I used this shade which was kind of like a pinkish red shade. The lip shades were a little disappointing. It is not that pigmented. I applied many coats of this. Like you can see here, I've literally like dug it so much. I applied many times actually because it was not that pigmented, and it is more of a lip balm than like a lipstick or like a lip gloss. And although in the palette it looks super pigmented, you can see I'm wearing that. It's not that pigmented. It fades away very easily. Like I applied it like an hour back, it is almost like gone. So the lip shades are not that up to the mark. But then if your eye look is like very heavy, then I think this one you can manage with. It's not a problem. Coming to the mirror, guys, the mirror is very helpful because whenever I take like an eyeshadow palette or something, if there is no mirror, it's very difficult to apply, guys. So having a mirror within the palette is like very helpful, guys. Now coming to the one tiny brush that they have given, which is like okayish, because there are so many things that you can do with this palette and there is just one tiny brush. I wish they had given like 2 or 3 brushes for like different purposes. That would have been helpful. Like even if it is going to be the similar size, doesn't matter, but then if they had given more brushes, that would be good, because with this tiny brush there's not much you can do, and also it's very stiff, so it does not help in applying the makeup properly. I tried applying the eyeshadow with this first and then it was not applying properly, so I applied it with my finger. And the lipstick I applied with this. Highlighter, blush and contour you definitely cannot apply with this brush, guys, for sure. No, you need like a proper blush brush or like a proper round brush to like apply these products. So a brush like this only will like help you to pick it properly and apply it. Coming to the final review, guys, the all-in-one makeup kit is definitely good. It is very helpful. If you just want to carry one palette for your travel, I think this comes in very handy. And if you've seen my past videos, I've told that I'm always looking for like multi-purpose products or like one product to carry which can do multiple things in your makeup. So I think for that purpose, this is very good. This is very helpful. When I'm traveling, sometimes I carry this and it's coming in very handy actually. Now definitely it has certain flaws, like the contour shades are not the one that are actually contour shades. The brush is very small and only one brush that you have. The lipstick shades are not up to the mark. It's more like a lip balm and it is very mildly tinted and it does not stay for very long. So I think overall it's a very decent palette to do like a minimal makeup. But if you're looking for extremely heavy makeup looks or like super glam looks, then I think this palette may not help. It could be like one of the products that you use, but not like the only palette that will help you do like a super glam look. So my final review would be, guys, considering the different things that this palette can do and the price point that it has, it is a very good palette and it is a very good buy, and it is also a very safe option to carry if I don't want to carry multiple makeup products. So yes, guys, the Hilary Rhoda Book of Makeup is a very good buy, guys. So yes, guys, I hope this video was helpful, guys, and if you want to see more such videos, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. With that, I will see you in another video, guys. Bye.